Okay, cool. So guys, there's the tire removal. Okay, now next we'll go ahead and let the air out and break the bead, and then I'll leave it in the sun and go have some breakfast and let it warm up, let the sun warm it up. So hopefully that'll be easier to remove it. Okay, hold on. Okay guys, so if you're going to be doing your own maintenance, you got to invest in some tools. So obviously you're going to need a bead breaker, but before you do that you have to release the air valve, the tire valve. So you get this at any home center. This is a little thing here. So this just goes in here like that, and it turns out, be careful don't shoot out. So I'm going to go ahead and change put a new valve as well. So I think I have a leak in this one. You can see there it is, it comes out. So if you're not going to change it, make sure you save that, put it back in when you put the air in. Okay, so all the air should be out. Yeah. So go ahead and put these parts to the side. Don't lose them. Okay, now let's go ahead and break the bead here. So I got this on Amazon. Just ordered just a motorcycle bead breaker. I actually used it to break my car bead too, a tire, so that works. And what you do is set this on here, and this part is going to go between here. It's going to go in there, see? Just like that. And just push it down. And there it is. You turn it on the other side. You have to do both sides. And now you can just step on it. Okay. Now just go ahead and put this in the sun and let it warm up. Looks like a nice sunny spot right here. You got the new one sitting in the sun. go have some breakfast and come back out. So go ahead and take that tire off and put the new one on. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just had some nice breakfast. And this has been out in the sun. It's a nice little warm. Okay, so I'm going to use the soapy water method. Let's give it a nice squirt in there. Okay. Alright, we have our spoons here with some protectors, which the last time I used it, they just broke, so these aren't that good, but you need these spoons. Okay, so what you do, put your rim protector. Let's start over here. I have a nice already space here. So we're going to use one here. Could use one here. So yeah, you can see these are pretty cheap. They already broke. Let's see if we can use it one more time. Okay. So, just put your spoon under. Okay, let's put the other one all set up so we're ready to go. Okay, here we go. Oh, as you can see, I'm using some wood blocks here to protect my brake rotor. Okay. So I like to use my body weight. Okay, there's one. Put that under there. There's two. Usually that's enough to be able to use your muscles. Oh, there we go. Alright. Okay, now spray the other side. Get it nice and soapy. Okay, I tried using my power, but sometimes you have to use the tools. Okay, so let's use this. Gonna put it on the other side here. I think we just need one. Just get it started. Okay. So you could just use your muscles, or you can go ahead and do every kind of 4 inches and go around. But since I'm still young and strong, just did it that way. All right.